Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. 1979 Lil Red Express. What an interesting vehicle. Do you know what the fastest American production vehicle was in 1979? Probably the Corvette? Wrong. The Camaro? No. It was this truck right here. This is the fastest production vehicle. Not only is it full of exciting looks, but it actually is a performance muscle truck. It has a 360 police motor in it. It's got 355 sure grip, upgraded suspension. You got the custom exhaust, all from the factory. It's a limited edition actual muscle truck. This one here is loaded up with documentation, bunch of original literature, bunch of receipts, including for the engine rebuild, a bunch of magazines and articles, the original sticker that has the options, how it was ordered new is included. So this will all go with the truck, obviously. It's one of the nicest restored Little Red Expresses I've had. Beautiful red with red interior. You never see a red interior. And it's one of only 1,000 that came with factory air. And this air conditioning was all just rebuilt, and it blows nice and cold. I got a lot more to tell you about this truck. You can also go to volocars.com and read the description. Look at all the photos top to bottom, and you'll find price tags on every one of our vehicles, along with monthly finance payments as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, we just got this from the East Coast from a collector I've gotten cars from over the years. He's owned it for a while. Again, one of the nicer ones I've seen. It's I'm going to call it ground up restored. Underneath the truck is rock solid. The floors, the frames, the braces, the inner rockers, super clean, dry metal. Doesn't look like it's ever been cut on, or just looks rock solid under there. He just rebuilt the entire front end, all the bushing, shocks, ball joints. It's all been redone just recently. You got disc brakes in front, drum in back. Everything looks proper under there. The fuel tank, bottom of the motor is clean. The 727, I think they call it a torque load transmission, is clean. Supposedly, the Little Red Express got little tweaks made to the transmission. Reading the articles on it, I don't know exactly what they did, but there were tweaks done in the transmission. 355 sure grip rear end. So yeah, underneath's real clean. The body of the truck's been professionally restored. It's in really nice shape. It's show quality. The body is smooth. There is a chip right here. It's been touched up real well. You don't notice. There's a couple more. There's a few little chips down here. But there's no bubbles, no rust. It's absolutely straight and square. The paint is polished smooth and glossy. The hood, the cowl, all of that is square. A few more little chips on the front right there. Emblem sparkles. Smooth, polished like a mirror. Fits beautifully. Fender is real nice. The body lines are real nice. Line up nice. All of this fits real good. The door is real nice. No bubbles. Couple more little chips. All nice, smooth, glossy. The roof is excellent. The fender, all metal, all real nice. Straight, no dents, no waves. All of this is straight. All clean metal. Smooth, glossy paint. All of this is real nice. I'm looking at the body now. Some little pimples in the paint right there. Smooth and glossy, metal, all clean, dry. Yeah, the lower cab corners, all this excellent by show quality, body and paint finish. few little nicks, you have to go looking for them. Of course, there's the little red express truck decals. That's how they came, and the pinstriping. That was provided to Dodge by 3M. It has oak, and all the oak has been replaced on this truck inside the bed and the trim on the sides of the bed. Emblem looks new, mirrors look new, windshield's crystal clear, I'm sure that's replaced. Rubber gasket is soft, rubber around the vent window is soft. All the glass is real nice, and it is tinted. The bumper looks like it's been re-chromed. It looks like someone might have rubbed on it with some steel wool or something. It has just some light scratches. The grill is really good original. It's not beat up, but it does show a little patina. 78 had a big square headlight, and it has 4 square headlights or rectangular lights on the 79. The wheels. Just go look at pictures online. Half of them will have the wrong wheels. These wheels were made for this truck only from an outside company. They were sold to Dodge. They're chrome 15 by 8 wheels. You never, I shouldn't say never, but like I was saying, a lot of times they're missing. But these are in really nice shape. Even the spare underneath the truck is a 5th matching chrome wheel. It has Goodyear tires. Look how wide and meaty they are too. Tail lights look good. Back bumper is nicer than the front bumper. When they redid the wood, they used stainless hardware. Little red truck on the tailgate. The pipes, the stacks, we didn't even talk about those. These are functional. These are real. It has the covers over them. You have a chrome step plate. Getting back to the story of the Little Red, there was an engineer, I think his name was Tom Hoover, working for Mopar, and he wanted to build a muscle car, a muscle vehicle, and then he read, there was such strong EPA regulations that he read up on, and he found the loophole he was looking for. A truck 6,000 pounds didn't need to have catalytic converters. Well, in 78, 79 it did, but there was little things that he was able to build this truck and get around all the regulations that applied towards the cars. So that's how this came to be. Antenna looks real nice. This mirror is real nice. So why don't we open it up, see how it looks inside and under the hood. So here's something for you young people. The old tailgates, you just unhooked it, then you rehooked it, and there's your tailgate. These new trucks now have power tailgates in all different positions, but this is your good old-fashioned tailgate. You got the oak floor trim with the stainless steel slats. The side walls are mint. They're not beat up, not rusted. They're all painted glossy, has some stainless trim. So the bed of the truck is in really nice shape. Could have a tailgate party. Also has a cargo light up here. That's an option. Red interior. I think it's the first one I've seen. They're always black. The metal inside this cab, the whole inside looks like it was repainted. The metal's all nice. Interior was recently done, so door panels look new. You'll see there are 6x9 speakers down at the bottom. It does have a custom stereo. So the dash pad is red. The instrument panel is real nice. It does have a Pioneer stereo. Heater controls, knobs, gauges, all look real nice. Got the glove box. Factory air, the vents are built right into the dash. Down on the floor has real nice carpet. And these are actually bucket seats with the buddy cushion in the middle. You can fit a third person, or you can use it as an armrest. You got the 3-spoke cushion grip wheel. They did wrap it in leather. The visors are real nice. Like I said, the inside of the bed is all repainted, or inside of the cab is painted. It has the seat belts. 360, excuse me, 360 Express. They use the police motors in these trucks. This one now has an Edelbrock carburetor. It has the stock manifolds. These come with chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner lid, got the dual snorkels. Motor was rebuilt. The air conditioning system was completely redone recently. It does have an upgraded compressor and R134 Freon. The engine bay and under the trunk, or under the hood, look real nice. Looks like you have some of the apparatus for the jack, the rubber flaps and overflow bottle and shroud, and all that's in proper order. Battery is secured properly. It does have power steering and power brakes. So what a neat truck. And back in the day, they weren't making cool muscle trucks like this. Now today you buy Hemis and Shelby trucks, and of course they bring tons of money. But back then, this was quite a splash. This made quite an impact in the car industry. You've certainly seen these coming. They stood out, and it wasn't just an appearance package like anything else being done at that time. It was an actual muscle truck. This was the start of the muscle trucks right here. This is it. I just was reading up on them. One of the comments made was every collector needs to have one of these in their collection. Just picture all these cars. This is going to still stand out amongst Camaros and everything else. Anyway, lots of cool facts about it. This is one of the nicest, most authentic ones I've seen. Air conditioned, comes with all that literature. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com, talk to a salesman. They'll answer the questions that you may have the best they can. They can help get this delivered. They can help get you financed. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.